Top 5 Antique Markets in Istanbul. Top 5 Antique Markets in Istanbul, Hidden Treasures of the City. Oriental instrumental with a modern upbeat twist. Old lamps, carpets, jewelry, and coins. Istanbul, a paradise for antique lovers. Grand Bazaar. Show vintage shops tucked in hidden alleys. Over 500 years old, endless antiques and treasures. Çukurcuma Antiques. Street filled with antique stores, gramophones, and Ottoman decor. Hor Antique Bazaar. Wide interior shot with over 200 shops. Furniture, paintings, and rare collectibles. Feriköy Flea Market. Quick shots of old books, vinyl records, cameras. Every Sunday, Istanbul's famous flea market. Kadıköy Antique Street. Footage of vibrant Asian side shops with vintage lamps and postcards. Charming antique street on the Asian side. Which antique market would you visit first? Let us know in the comments.